So, good morning, Paris. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is another morning, it's another day. It is Sunday, and I think it's like about probably 3:15 a.m. Yes, 3:15 a.m., Debbie. Yes, it is about 3:15 a.m. and I'm up because I'm doing laundry. Yeah, my laundry. 3:15, Debbie, and you wake up and do laundry there? And no, I'm not doing laundry with my hand. Me get a machine. I've gotten a machine. To God be the glory. So me I try catch up on the laundry, because to be honest, it did really back up. So reason why me have to wake so early, the water pressure. Over the past months year, me when me I do the cooking videos, you always hear me complain about the pressure, the water, or it low. So I am up and I am getting a few loads of laundry out this time of the morning. In a body no, it could be better, but it's nowhere near the regular, you know. So I'm sit down somewhere off around my dining table here, and I'm gonna be going through comments now, answering some whilst me at the laundry. Everybody else in them bed, which is dad and camera girl. Then they know what go on. So me up because this is, if I wait until 7, 8, the water pressure is like, it's like a mad you. So if I can get that 2 or 3 loads out now, that's what I'm doing. So it is another day. I may check in with them, I may give thanks to God above. I wake up out of my bed and I could have come down, could have recognized everything. So to God be the glory, and I'm just here. I may go and deal with what I deal with Sunday. I don't know. I have nothing planned because since I did that really huge cooking for New Year's, I don't bother cook nothing again. Bake, we just got through easy. As you see me I show up on the cooking channel. It's just like some little, cook down. I call it cook down. You're just cooking down. You're not in no big nothing. So I don't really have no big breakfast plan. And a little thing. And I might be doing a little chicken. I've not done any rice and peas since Sundays. We just take it easy. Normally I saw me do it after them all big meat eating and all something. I always try to take it slow, take it down, and then son not here, in my household. I'm more just me, camera girl, and dad. She's not a big eater. Dad is not fussy and all of that. So you see what I'm gonna do for breakfast as I go along. I still a few hours to starting in the kitchen. I will be go getting my medicine. I go drink some Guinean weed now. And you will we catch up on you as we go along throughout the day. So whatever your day entails, make it a good one, make it a prosperous one. Give thanks to God above. It is wherever, whatever you got to be doing. So I'm just inviting you, if you so chooses, follow me through my day. Make me see it I go work out now. Let me see it I go on. I'm just here giving thanks. Me feel fresh, and I'm used to waking up this hour in the morning. This is my, when you hear me keep telling you all that I'm a morning person. I don't have a problem. This is my time of the morning. I peak from now until about 12:1. This is who I am. This is where my energy level, it's always up. So if you want to follow me through the day, you want to keep my company. I don't think I'll be going on the road today though. I don't have any occasion. Normally on a Sundays, we don't really like, unless we go out in the afternoon, or if I wear my trifle go supermarket. Depends on how the funds run, but ain't no supermarket, and I'm not sure I'm going on the road for today, but sometimes you never can tell. So I hope you're having a blessed day, you and the family, wherever you are, whatever time you get to be watching this little around the house vlog. So me just check in, and I make sure me show how early me rise. So even if I wasn't doing laundry, I still rise this early in the morning, so most of the times. So see you around, okay? Hey Paris, see, me just check in back with you. Breakfast time is over, but guess what? Look like about 11:30, pan o'clock that in this. So I scrape carrot, I'm gonna make carrot juice. I'm gonna make power up carrot juice with guineas and something. All of that. We used to that from we little our country. And I check in back with you all. So if anybody catch me this morning, I wake up from something to 3. Me there right here, so. Never make no big breakfast. What did you do? If you want to share. Breakfast was like 1 boiled egg, 5 tough crackers, Jamaican tough crackers, a little peanut butter. I'm not a peanut butter person, but I never have nothing else to spread because the crackers is dry. And a cup of puff twinnings, this hour. I not do the advertisement, you know, and a cup of Lady Grey tea. One of this. And I went sugar free. Sometimes I drink little sugar and sometimes I don't drink none. So one of this. 5 tough crackers with a little, just slightly spread peanut butter. And 1 boiled egg. Dinner is slightly in progress. I don't know. I know a lot of you follow me, so some of you remember. You remember when I did the I don't remember, but I one of the market haul. I think it was the pre-New Year's or something. I remember that I showed you on the market haul. I show you the Jamaican green red peas. This is it. It's easy to cook. Come like the dry gungo, the green gungo, sorry. But look here. It don't have a lot of color, but now me I look on it, it have more color, more some of the red peas than the red way I get. Because we get it green, so I just go use it now. That's what I'm using. So it's practically, it's cooked. And I suppose I have some cut up coconut in the freezer. Sometimes I cut up my coconut them and freeze them. So what I do now, I take out some, get some hot water to blend it. You know? That way you will get the, you know, the whole oil and all of that we want to type. Come out it. Dinner. I'm going about and I'm doing a lot of things, but I take it easy. I hope you are take it easy too, you know. Have some chicken here. I don't know where we are looking, Margaret. Be a chicken. I think the chicken. But I put camera girl to the test and the vlog today. Say hi to people from behind.
Hi guys.
So I will putting her to the test today. The last time she did, what you did do the potato salad.
Yeah.
To be honest, from New Year's, at the first Sunday we are in the kitchen like this, and this is not any big dinner, you know, because there was no, when I prepped for this is just a little liquor promise. Tell me about the liquor promise them. Some Sundays when you're in the kitchen, you know, they just come in and slam bomb like or something. We all know about that because a real thing, real life. A slam bomb Sunday today. Talk to me about it. If you are slam bomb too, let me know in the comment section. Or if me you like that WhatsApp me or Instagram me up and show me the slam bomb. Not a thing that wrong. When me ready me slam bomb it. Not every time you're in the same mood to come and prep and to do this and do what I want, like a carrot juice. And also over here me have some more chicken, all chicken breasts. So what I'm gonna be deboning those chicken breasts because I want to make a video. Today is Sunday. I think I will not be doing that video until tomorrow. So I'm gonna be deboning and take off the skinless, boneless chicken breast, and I'm gonna be having them to do a video. That's the next video that will be up on the Jamaican cooking journey channel. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed and make sure you stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna be doing that because we'll be doing that tomorrow. And this is chicken from here. I'm gonna show you what you can do. I don't throw away when I take off my chicken breast, the breast of it, the beat of itself off the bone. I don't throw it away. I leave it for soup or for stock. So all of them something you will see on this channel as we go along. Yeah, that's about it. Look at rice and peas. I may try look at carrot juice for putting on my body. You get what I'm saying? So basically no big nut, no the prep, look at rice and peas. Camera girl, I'm gonna put her to the test today with some baked chicken to show you what you think about that. I'm gonna put in her to the test, and when she's done, you'll make the comparison if you have a teenager like her, and then if you're a teenager and you're on the Jamaica and you're on the Debbie Dem stream, and me I go put her to the test on this vlog to do with the baked chicken season, do it how me do it, and then the finished product you will see where she's not gonna be teaching you in depth. She's just gonna be highlighting how she do it and show you her finished product as a teenager. So that will be her part today on the vlog in the kitchen today Sunday. So basically yes, and I did tell you in the prior, if you did check in with me from then, I was up from about minutes to 3, now it's minutes to 12. So I got a machine. Thank the Lord Jesus. If you're glad for me, thumbs up. Be glad. If you don't have none yet, or you have one and it mash up like mine, and you don't get one yet, be glad for me. You're soon come. Okay? Thank the Lord Jesus. So I got a machine, and it is LG, you can't add the seat. I'm gonna see it now up on the front here, so say LG. But anyhow, it's LG, because they told me that.
Sure.
Yeah, you can't add the seat. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's right here. It is this smart inverter, 16 whatever, 16 kilo. And somewhere about the place it said turbo drum. Yeah, right here. So inside there some have bathroom curtain, shower curtain, and face basins curtain, and then meadow. And this is what like the front panel look like. It's on pause now. I'm trying to, it's supposed to be rinsing. You see the water pressure nasty when I have. That when it's open, that is the sound it gives. So I have to close it quick. The water pressure is like sickening. So that is what is happening. And I have it all just connect up back over there, so. And I've done a lot of laundry, so my weekend is blessed. My weekend is blessed. I am blessed. And the Lord Jesus, I am blessed. I get a little machine because my laundry was all backed up. So I did a good amount yesterday and I folded them, and I've done about 2 to 3 loads. So that's why I have to wake up early. When we wake up early them time there, the water is, you know, I can't get like a water. Not the fullest, you know, because I don't know what is happening with the Jamaica Water Commission or National Water Commission in Jamaica. Some people not even are getting none. You know, so basically this is it. What I can say about it, it washes really clean. Because the Whirlpool was the one with the agitator. I never get another one. I always hear people saying they don't want the ones with the agitator. I would never ever, if something should happen, hope it not coming. I'm supposed to have no more washing machine for the rest of my life. What you say about that? It's supposed to serve me till everything. Yeah, what I can tell you about it so far, it washes really clean. Really, really clean. But it, the Whirlpool don't wash as clean as it. And the Whirlpool, when it spins, the clothes come out more, you know, drier. But whatever, to God be the glory. I am glad, I am thankful to the Lord Jesus above. And let me tell you something. There are still good people in this world. If you know, not think, if you know, if you have experienced it along the journey of life, that there are still good people, talk to me about it in the comment section. And let me tell you something also. If you're a good person, you're a good boy, or you're a good girl and you have been doing that, just that all the days of your life, you've been good and you've been nice to people, and them just come and just walk up in your face and just take it and just, you know, then just slap it back in your face. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. There are still good people in this world. So, there I guess so. I do look laundry. And of course, yeah, I have to tell you, yeah. I not have no big mansion. I don't want. This is Jamaica. Yeah, there are people in Jamaica with them laundry room and big house. But I not in a, you know, maybe someday, I don't know. I'm not giving up on that. What about you? If you don't have a big place with laundry room, don't give up on it. It will come. You don't ever know. Keep on being good. So yes, my machine in my kitchen as per usual, which I find it real convenient because you can be doing dinner, you can be doing laundry, making breakfast, whatever, tidying up kitchen and doing laundry. I think that is a plus. So that would do the stuff now. So probably when you see me back in the next clip, camera girl must let it have something for sure now. What she is gonna be doing. Mike will say, oh, camera girl, I'm gonna deal with that be a chicken and a parry. I won't have nothing to do with it, but I do the little vegetable, the little juice, and the little rice and peas. Let's put her to the test. Let's put our teenagers to the test. See you in the next clip. Flame up.
Alright guys, so it's my time now to be able to make the baked chicken. So Mom is going to be helping me to make baked sausage. Is this from scratch or is just...
No. Baked sauce from scratch, yeah, probably parry, but
yeah,
you tell the parry
kind of like that.
It's easier thing, you know, but through ketchup. And I think parry, this is the perfect time for test her. Here, you're gonna melt that. You're gonna follow some instructions. So tell the parry them where you do.
So
you're gonna melt a piece of butter. Tell them you with ketchup short. Yeah, that is half a stick. So the ketchup is short. You need to be speaking to them.
So we're going to melt half a stick of butter in this pan.
So So basically what you're making a baked sauce and you're doing this. Why are you doing that?
Wait, are we on the roof?
Yeah, you're gonna no, the ketchup is not enough.
Oh yeah, the ketchup is not enough, so we have to be making.
You're stretching it. We have to turn your hand and make fashion. Right? She don't know this part, so may I instruct her, make us see how much we have to turn to the test. No, but you can't tell me to turn it down. You're supposed to turn it, gauge your heat. Is that spoon? Alright, give me this. Maybe you can angle yourself better with this spoon. Angle yourself with that spoon. So leave it to melt. Leave it to melt. So whilst it's melting, you're going to put in some flour. So you have to need to tell us, turn to the, you can't be turning your side, Colby.
I don't know, I'm following what you're saying. I don't
So, but
really
the other people are right there. Are they seeing what you... Yes, that's better. Is the butter melted?
Yeah.
Is the butter melted?
Yes, it is.
Can you control it with the wooden spoon?
Yes, I can. So
Because you have to be rubbing out this butter, in the flour in the butter, you know.
I can. So
Okay, excuse. So, you put in some flour, and if we're using cake and pastry flour that is not so tight, they're not having so much gluten. Yeah, which I'm teaching her to, when the ketchup is not enough, to stretch to make enough baked sauce. So I think she is at the right point with this one. So you have to turn up the stove a little more. Mind you burn yourself, you know. You have to rub out the flour. No something enough in it, no lump. Alright, lower your flame. You're gonna be pouring in some water. Hot water is in the kettle. Not a lot.
that good?
Yes, stir. Stir now. Whilst you throw, you stir. Up more with your flame. Let it boil. That's why I told you to use another spoon.
It's okay. I use some.
Alright, you get it like that and it look like you get the butter and the something. Or they show it to the party then what you have now.
Oh, it's okay. I found it.
Here, you don't want to use this?
I found it. There.
Okay. So show it to them. Let me turn down this.
Alright, so you guys can see this is it.
Mind if I got the lens?
I will try not to. I think you guys can see it as best as possible.
Alright. Back on with the flame. So you want a little more water so it will get thick up. Let me pour. While stirring, whilst I'm pouring, you're stirring, and that is why you must always have hot water. I'm teaching her Pari for the very first time to stretch the ketchup for get a nice baked sauce. Now you're going to stop the stirring and you're going to add the ketchup. Come on. Because now that I put it to the test, you're going to have to make one of these. Pari, what you think on the Jamaican cooking journey? I'm going to make, you want to see her on the cooking, you have to take your time. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Because you have to have a glossy finish with some color. But it's just that the thing now. Okay, alright, that is okay. Continue stirring, 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 stirring all the time. What else you need now?
Soya sauce and Worcestershire.
When you reach the desired color, you tell me. Just a little bit of Worcestershire, not a lot.
Huh?
This is it. We just finish it, yeah. You talk to the parent, you tell them nothing. I swear to God, you not tell them. What else do you need? What else do you need to make a baked sauce from scratch? You need to turn yourself this way, yeah. So that is what we are putting this. Not that you are doing a tutorial. Rinse out the ketchup back with a warm water because that is not the right color. Is that the right color?
No, I need something dark, but look a bit better.
So you want it a little more darker, so what you want?
I like a bit more ketchup and a bit more soy sauce.
More ketchup done. That's why we are stretching the budget. Real kitchen party, real. You have to entertain the party, them, you know. You have got to entertain the party, them not used to it, you know. What else you think you need? What else do you need?
Soy sauce.
Yes, so the soy sauce there. Something else is needed in there. Did I put vinegar?
No.
Okay, I'm going to put a little of the tarragon vinegar. What else you need? Look like we get a nice color there, so.
That's fine.
What else do you need?
That's all.
You don't need no salt. What else do you need to bring up the color? Step forward.
Oh, sugar?
Yeah. That's good. So you're going to
So
stir it now.
let the sugar dissolve into it.
Yeah,
Stir
take
it
your
up
time
into
now.
it.
Put blow on the stove. You don't rub out, rub out the whole of the something there. You don't rub out all the thing, but it's okay. It's a learning process. And still want a little more spice as well. A little darker color. So you're going to turn up the stove and let it boil because you want it to be thick. But you're supposed to be tasting there.
I know, hold on, I'm trying to.
Be careful, you know. No, it's not. You have to make it boil. It have to boil before you get the thickness. Alright.
That's, no.
That's a
cayenne
little,
pepper?
yeah, a little
Yeah, that's cayenne
pepper. We can put like a sage in it, nothing around, nothing. Let it boil. Carry it up, turn up the stove now, make it boil.
You guys can use what you have as in, what do you call it now? Spice wise, you guys can use what you have. We're just using what we have.
Let me see how it look. You have to turn it up now to make it, So Parry basically my teacher, when the ketchup, not a lot, you know when you're depending like when it come down to after Christmas and we not shop from January. Yeah. You see you have to learn to control the camera and control yourself and angle yourself. Kelati, angle yourself, and then also to engage the Parries them in what you're doing. So you have to put yourself at an angle. That's why I always keep telling you. But you're learning. So you have to make it boil now. So till it get a thick consistency and make sure that it have this glassiness inside of it where we look like we have. So you constantly stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. And then when it's ready now, when you do the chicken, then we'll see how it look when you dip it. So you're constantly stir it till you get that thickness. So say something to the Parry them. Tell them what is your next move, what you want to show them.
Okay,
show them your chicken where you season up.
Okay, we season this off
Not
camera.
we, I did
I
not.
season.
Yes, it is about you.
I season this off camera. I just use scallion, garlic, some sage, some salt, some cayenne pepper, and I said garlic already. Yes, I use salt, and that's basically it. Yeah.
So I'm teaching her, as I said before, Parry, to stretch the ketchup to make a nice thick baked sauce. So she have a, I think I should do this as a video. What do you think? When you ketchup a little bit and you have to stretch it with some, a roux and all like that. Okay, so she's gonna show you probably in the next clip how she deal with fair what she's gonna do with the chicken, and of course where you're gonna use to bake the chicken. Now, did you tell them? You're not gonna use.
Oh, we're going to be not the oven. We're going to be using our toaster oven over the other side. But when we change the camera around, you guys will see it.
Yeah, Parry, Jamaica gas hot. So when you put just one little tray or something, a baked chicken, but if it's a lot, you use the oven. But like if it's a small amount, we just go and make sure use the thing. Why I'm here talking so much in this is because she has never done this. She has never done this. Just make the roux for stretch with the ketchup to get the baked sauce. And as you can see, it'll get thicker and thicker. So I'm gonna leave it there to cook. You should be leaving it, so constantly stir it. But I think this is a good video. What do you think, Parry, for the Jamaican cooking journey? Comment, please. This is really a good video, What do you think, Parry? So we could go in depth and all of that with measurement and something. What do you think? See you a little bit.
Alright guys, okay, so now I'm going to be browning off the chicken. So we're not going to fully fry it off, we're just going to brown it off partially so that when we put on the baked sauce and it will finish baking in the toaster.
But you have to make sure that the oil is hot to a certain
level. So you have to make sure
Are
that the oil
you
is
sure?
hot.
Check
yes.
it. No, put your fork in there and test it. I don't see like turn it up because the fan is blowing against it. So turn up the flame a little more. This thing is fast. So when you did the baked chicken the time when I wasn't in the kitchen, what did you do?
I did the same thing.
Alright, it sounds like you can go in here now. careful. Make sure it is up on it.
I'm just making sure that no scallion and other seasons and stuff that I put on it are under because it will burn the oil.
You can just drop it down in there, you know. Sorry, come like we have to go do some of them kind of video for the younger people then. What do you say? Comment please.
Alright, so now that you have all the chicken inside the pot or the amount that you have inside the pot, don't overflow the pot, you need space in there. So you're going to let it brown on one side, and when it's brown on one first side, you turn it over and it's brown on the other side. You're not cooking fully, partially cooking it so that when it's finished now, you're going to put on the bake sauce and you will finish baking in the toaster oven when you're fully cooking. So you're just browning it off a little bit.
Yeah, show them how your bake sauce coming on. Well, it's on already. You finish and it's over there.
It's over there cooling out now.
So show them the consistency of it. Right. So that will definitely hold to the chicken. Alright, so
we're just going to let it brown off, and when they're all finished browning off, and I put it into the sauce, that's when I'll come back to you guys.
sorry, me round a corner here and do little something there. I'm trying to work on something for a video for the cooking channel. So we catch you in the next clip. Alright, Parry, juice time. So I make a carrot juice. Hi, carrot get cheap in Jamaica now, a farmer's market. $30 and $40. The prettiest one's $40 a pound. So I cook it. No, I do it already. Cook it and I blend culture juice. I have my little Guinness. I don't know it go. I have my little condensed milk. I put one pack of the last coming for kind of boots it little and I don't know where to put white in it. Not much because I saw the thing go. You know the long time on the carrot juice. We have beat it light to the carrot cheap. So I'm saying to y'all right now, a little thing but I said to you, I don't know why me I look in the camera and I feel like somebody are watching me. I just feel like you're watching me and like you worry yourself about the journey of life, what I want. Don't worry, man, don't worry. You know, you go look at me and say, Debbie, oh, you know say somebody are worry. Look here, been there and done that and I'm still here and doing it. Because some of the times we worry and we don't even realize that we are worrying. Yeah, real thing me I talk to, because sometimes, you know, when me inside of the kitchen and me do, you know, I kind of amuse by certain things. So, but that's why I make sure I talk to you know. Sometimes in the kitchen and certain things are going on my head. You know, you meditate while I meds as them say in Jamaica. So now that I know some me on a roll in the kitchen today. But I said to you, know, my sister, my brother, wherever you are and you watch this and you feel like you stress out yourself for whatever the reason. Just take it slow, because you don't know what happened. Stress now, it not solve nothing. Me can't tell you now. Yeah? And I go and go to this my stress story one of the day. When I used to be such a warrior, that when you look at me, I look like me twice or thrice my age. If you want to hear a story then, comment. Because you know some have whole story to go now. Yeah? Myself, not people business, my own. You see what I'm saying? So, if you look at me now and you watch me now, because guess what? I'm going through things too, you know, girl. Lots of 95% of it. We have got your own little thing, you know. But somehow we stress it out. Me used to do that to us stress, you know. Guess what you do? Just take it easy, take it slow. Keep yourself away from negativity. Keep yourself away from negative people. Search yourself, looking at your conditions. Just look here. Why the situation has stressed me out so? Is it that I'm dealing with the wrong set of people? Check it out, that could be it, you know. Making the wrong decision. Getting myself connected to the wrong people, giving too much of me to the wrong person or the wrong people. Chill, man, chill. So I say, chill. So, I juice time and I go deal with my local culture juice. I rice and peas over there. So as me tell you, say, you know, I'm in business with the chicken. So, camera girl have our next thing for those she have the chicken. Come show them your chicken, what go on for your chicken now.
Okay, so this is the finished chicken right there. So I'm trying to let you guys see. So that's how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to be brown, fried off on the outside, but partially cooked on the inside, not fully cooked because they'll cook off in the toaster. So yeah, that's it.
So alright, Paris, we still know the next clip. See? Yeah, Parry, make we start out the little culture juice that together. Not true. I want to drink with the eyes. Because I really want to forget something. I don't know it, but drink with your eyes. So, you're supposed to cook it. Come on, girl, the share great a little nutmeg, not a lot. You're supposed to cook it till it's soft, and you know, you blend it out, and you make it look nice like this. Now, go down in a long water, you know, come back, so the milk, they must also water, you know. So, we have to know what we are doing. So, we have start out the little culture juice, something. So, me, I go put the pack of plain Lasco milk here in a mind to kind of help bring it up. But you know, to mix the Lasco too long and watery. You get what me I say? If you just try and mix the Lasco thick, you know, rich, make it get a small amount of something there. So me I go wash my guineas now and my milk to put in it. Yeah, kind of don't know some thing. A Jamaica something this in a Caribbean something. I feel with thing this. If you remember them days, the Sunday culture juice. Yeah man, I suffer with something go. Comment. Me I wash it fire because my water pressure it nasty is a shame. So sorry for my back turn, me don't understand. So me I try wash with a little pee because this time of the Sunday even everybody I try. You know some people go to church and come back and I finish up the little Sunday dinner and all of that. And some people have visited over extra water I use in the household them. Yeah. So me I wash all the guineas too. I hit me I wash. I remember say, I don't know, when me I advertise, you know. But that's a show you how the culture juice set up Jamaican style. See? So what we are doing here now. It's not a tutorial, I'm just showing you, you know, say we're on the Jamaican vlog. So this is a pack of the white something. So if you have your milk, powdered milk differently, you can use it. So me I show you say, you know, don't put no whole heap of water in it. So me I show you. Mix it, make it rich. And have the little nice look because this sometimes I use evap milk. But I don't have evaporated milk at them. So I just go get one little rascal about the place, around the town. You know, because with the evap milk for the body and this as the sweetener, it makes it nice. So I just use this. So when you try to substitute this, you have to make sure you mix it thick and rich. Make sure the lumps are out because you know powdered milk. So you make sure so you mix it rich, you know, mama. Can let me tell you something. I don't know nothing about no calorie and something because as a Jamaican I work really hard. And the Jamaican alone work hard. And when you work hard the whole week and Sunday come. And like all the carrot them down a market cheap. Now me I drink it till it come to all part of me. Next time when you see me I mix it again, me I mix it with mango, guava or something and put ginger and something. But I feel fit with a little something here today. So look here. I pour it down in there now. Make sure you scrape out all of this here, you know, my sister. We can't afford to go something there. Yeah. Okay, latte. Yeah. Things cheaper. Not things. But that's something they name carrot. You see me if you get one of them, you know, that the workless one over there, so it's not cutting nothing. So I don't bother look on it. All this look like it out for ton workless too, lad. Parry, I know 1 month, I buy this yet, you know. You see me I feel good on it like me. Oh, me I feel I go down in night like me I drive them all long time Bedford truck. Lord of mercy. We have to go pray harder, you know. Oh, I want to get this part out now. Alright now, Parry. Me still not get it out, you know, but me tell you something. That's why me always tell you to stay on top of things, you know. You know, me I tell you sometime, I always say to you guys, stay on top of things, yeah? Still not get it out yet. Why? I don't know. So look here. You see body white have? Come remember, so we have to go throw the dragon down in it, you know. So you have to mix it thick from now. Yeah. So we are turning with dragon because my guineas. Because guineas are fit in it, and that's how the thing is set. Alright. Culture juice here look tune. We not put the little prettiness here yet. We have put one of this in it. Alright. Now we are going to get like a nutmeg. We soon come back. Alright, Parry, you know, remember saying a tutorial, I just share. You know, me not really teach. Me just you know, vlog, we have vlog, so I show me I do. But this is nutmeg and salt. Still not telling you a story about the nutmeg, but I not think it that far. Yeah? Real kitchen, so I have to carry some vanilla, so my vanilla can give me my one done. Yeah. And we don't want no more vanilla in it. Kind of bake we bake. We just want a little tip just to flavor it. Yeah? That good, man. So, with a little salt and a little the salt now is to, like, you know, some people them have the little milk something there. Sometimes some people you drink it, it kind of make, you know, kind of loose up your bowl and yeah, go on up sometimes down at your bottom there too much. Yeah. So you just the salt kind of just settle up everything, you know. And it also brings up the taste. So we have it like that now. So we want taste little. And you saw it rich and nice. Now to this, some people then put ice. We're not putting ice in mine. Normally we don't do it from overnight. When we are prep, as I told you, this is a little compromise Sunday dinner. We don't prep nothing. So it look, you not bother put no ice in this, you just leave it for cool. So when it cool now, you get the nice rich taste. So and there's some of them now. You can put a supplement and you can put a Guinness in it. If a Guinness or a supplement or a nutriment in there, if you want or if you have it. So this I will look a strong body Jamaican culture juice. What we do? Remember them Sunday their country? So I might want this. So what I'm gonna do now, I put a piece of plastic over it and put it in the freezer. See, in the next 2 hours, 2.5 hours, it's good to go. Cool and nice. I'm not putting the ice from mine. So, Barry, look a bit. Now, next step, eh?
Alright guys, so you won't really be seeing my face in this part of it, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to do. So, the chicken is all browned off and it's cooled down. You have to make it cool down or else when you put the sauce in, it's going to turn back water. It's not going to stick to it. So, the chicken is all cooled off. We have our pan right here. We put it in the oven for a bit just to heat up. We sprayed it with some cooking spray, stuff like that. You can put butter if you like, or oil, whichever one. So we've taken out some of the gravy. Well, not the gravy. We've taken out some of the baked sauce because we take out just a little bit of an amount. We're going to make some gravy. We're going to lengthen it and make some gravy because people don't really want that thick sauce on their food, on their rice and peas or whatever they're having. They don't want such a thick sauce. They want something that's a bit more lengthier. So we're going to make some gravy out of that, and this is the sauce we're going to use to dip chicken. So I'm not showing you guys all of it, just a few. Just dip your chicken in there and coat it as much as possible. And then when you feel it's coated enough, take it out, drop off any excess, and just put it on your pan. So we're going to do another one. Like I said, guys, I'm not doing all of it. I'm just doing just like 1 or 2 or 3, just to show you guys how to do it, or how I do it. Alright guys, so we're finished now. We dip all of our chicken into the sauce. They're all coated. So now the little excess juice that you have left off from right here, you're not going to throw this away. You can add it to your gravy just to lengthen the gravy, because the gravy is supposed to be it's supposed to be thinner than the actual sauce, not supposed to be as thick as it. So now that we're finished with this, we've preheated our toaster oven to 350 degrees. Alright. So now we're going to place it. It's not hot right now, so we're going to place it inside. And it's going to be in there for maybe like about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, just for it to finish cooking off in there.
Yeah, for the sauce to bake up, probably about 30-35 minutes for it to be properly finished, properly cooked,
and
not properly finished cooked. Oh yes,
properly cooked.
Yeah, or finished cooking, and then have a nice sauce bake onto it, and also a little brighter color.
Okay.
All right.
So when that's finished, now we'll come back to you guys. Alright, guys. So this is my finished baked chicken. This is the finished baked chicken, as you guys can see. So I left it in, so it baked for like about 35 minutes here. Practically 35 minutes. So this is it, it's finished. So comment into this, so comment below, guys, what you think about it. Do you think it's up to par as my mom's, you know? Just tell me what you guys think about it. Does it look good? You guys like it? You know, just comment below. So that's it. So now we're going to plate up some food for you guys and for everybody else, and when we're done, you guys will see.
So guys, this it's a finish. Look out, we can't promise dinner. So this is like basically for you. So all where come whole day you follow me, eat with your eyes, eat to your heart's desire with your eyes. Eat with your eyes until you reach Jamaica and me I wanna sit down. I'm a cook and we sit down in the kitchen and eat and talk and you know, real party thing. So just enjoy to the best of your ability and all of that. Okay? And remember to just stay blessed. Thumbs up the videos. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for keeping me company through today. Tell me what was your favorite part of round the house with me today and all of that. And listen, we are going to end the vlog. I'm tired. This is how I started from 2:45 this morning. And look here, I feel like my energy level take time I go down now. So look here, remember, you know, no stressing. It's just a blessing. So remember, as always, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Eh?